Welcome to Digisoft's services. In this video you will learn to assign an alternate unit for a stock item and use it while recording transactions. Using the alternate units feature you can assign flexible units for goods as it's sold in bags or boxes. Now let's create a couple of units to use as alternate units. To create a simple unit, press enter on Create in the gateway of Tally. A master creation page will be open. Press enter on Unit under Inventory Masters. Unit creation page will be open. Here the type should be simple. Under symbol enter bags. UQC would be bags. Let's keep the decimal places as 2. Press Ctrl+A to save. Create 2 more units with the same process named as gunny and boxes. In creating unit named as boxes, put 0 as a number of decimal places. Let's learn how to assign alternate units for stock items. For creating stock item, press on Create in gateway of Tally. Master creation page will be open. Press enter on stock item under Inventory Masters. Enter the name of the product, say rice. Under units, select kg. Press F12 for more configurations. Set yes under. Use alternative units in inventory details. Press Ctrl+A to save. Here a new tab is added, that is alternative unit. On the alternative unit, select bag and define the conversion as 1 bag is equal to 50 kilograms. In opening balance you can use either units or alternative unit. Press Ctrl+A to save. It's important to note, once you enter an entry, you cannot change the units. Now if you have created a stock item earlier and you forgot to enter alternative units, then open stock item as the alteration mode. To open in alteration mode, press Alter in gateway of Tally, then click on stock item in master alteration page. Now you entered in stock item page. Here fill alternative unit. Select the unit as kg and define 1 gunny equals 100 kilograms. Save the item just by pressing Ctrl+A. Now select unit as kg. Under alternative units, select box by defining 1 box equals 10 kilograms. Now see how we records the transaction by using the alternative units. Suppose we are purchasing rice, sugar and flour. For doing the transaction, press enter on Voucher in gateway of Tally. Select F9 for the entry of purchase voucher. Provide the supplier invoice number and party name. Fill all the receipt details and party details in the respective screen and select purchase ledger. Let's start the stock items. Let's select rice. Under quantity, select 3 bags. You can see it will automatically converted into kg. Let's take another item, sugar, and take it as kg. It will again converted into gunny if you put 148 kilograms. TallyPrime automatic calculated and converted to 1.48 gunny, as you see in Tally. Now take the item which is sold in boxes as you show. You have the choice to put rate according to alternative unit also. Thank you for watching this video. For further information on related topic, connect with Digisoft services. Support number 965 087 1116965 053 1116.